Hello, I'm Erin.
And I'm Jani, and we are from Etteplan Additive Manufacturing and Optimization team.
Yes, and today we are presenting one customer case in which nesting played a significant role. And now you might be asking yourself, what is nesting in additive manufacturing? Well, nesting is the positioning of components in 3 dimensions within the build volume to maximize the number of parts that can be printed in one go.
And why the nesting is important? It's very important, especially with small metal components. By nesting, we can reduce the cost of the components, and given that, we can improve the parts' cost efficiency. And for instance, in this customer case here, we have one component which is already in production.
Yes, and for this particular customer case, the actual part was quite simple. But Jani here made some additional modifications to the design in order to improve printability. And with some additional clever changes, Jani was also able to make this component stackable.
Yes, and for instance, if we take this component to building chamber just itself, the manufacturing cost would be 6 times higher than this original part itself. But when we stack there 11 pieces on same building layer, we can achieve the same price of compared to the original cost. When we are doing the stacking in right way, meaning the stacking 3D dimensional stacking, we can reduce the price even more than 40%.
Yes, and for this case, because we were stacking in the print direction, we also use print process simulation to guarantee the printability of the part. We also wanted to ensure that the distortion levels that were seen at the top layers were similar to those at the bottom layers.
And once again, we can see here that added value comes from the design.